Story: The Lost Pencil. Tom was very excited. Today was drawing day at school. He opened his bag. His pencil was not there. Tom looked under the desk. Nothing. He looked in his bag again. Nothing. Tom felt sad. "That is my favorite pencil," he said. Suddenly, he saw his friend Leo. Leo was holding a blue pencil. Tom stopped. He looked carefully. It was his pencil. Tom took a deep breath. He remembered what his mom always said: "Be kind. Be honest." Tom walked to Leo and said softly, "Hi, Leo. I think that pencil is mine." Leo looked surprised. "Oh, I'm sorry," he said. "I found it on the floor." Leo gave the pencil back. Tom smiled. "Thank you," Tom said. That day, Tom learned something important. Being calm and kind can fix many problems.